Hello and welcome friends, welcome again to IFT Infinitely Finite Toophan. My name is Toophan Kumar and I welcome you to this YouTube channel called IFT. So in today's video I am starting exercise 7.1. okay, and in exercise 7.1 first of all I will solve question number 22. Why do I do like this is NCERT used to give the easy question first and then medium questions, and at the last they would give the tough questions or the complex questions. Okay, so what I feel is you should solve the tough questions or the complex question first of all. Okay, if you understand this question, then the medium questions are easy for you and the easy questions are more easier for you. That's why you should solve first of all the tough question itself. That's why I will start with question number 22. Don't be afraid. With a good teacher you will understand the tough questions very well. Don't worry. Okay, now what is the question? Question is they have given f dash x. F dash x means differentiation of fx, that is 4x cube minus 3y x to the power 4. Okay, so in the question it is given already, and then they are asking us to find the value of fx if fx is equal to 0. This is the question in the book. Okay, you can see in your book. I'll be just start solving this. So since we have dy dx fx is equal to 4x cube minus 3yx to the power 4, this is given already. Okay, now what we do, we will just do cross multiplication. This dx will be multiplied to this portion. Okay, so here in this part we will have d into fx only. So this is here d into fx is equal to this whole portion will be multiplied with dx. So this whole portion is here and into dx. That's it. Okay, now what we'll do, we will just do integration to both sides. Okay, you have to write here integrate both sides. Okay, integrate both sides. So we will use integration to both sides. So here also integration and here also integration. Okay, now this integration and d will get cancelled, so we'll have only fx. Okay, so this is fx only here. Now this side I have written same thing only, integration 4x cube minus 3yx to the power 4. Okay, now fx is fx. Now we have to do integration for this and this separately. So 4x cube integration means 4 will be constant, and x to the power 3, the integration of x to the power 3 is x to the power 4 by 4, right, like this. So it will be 4x to the power 4 by 4. Okay, and then minus. Now same thing here, 3 by x to the power 4. 3 by x to the power 4, we cannot do integration in division, right? You understand that already, and you know that there is no formula for integration in a division form. Okay, so what we do, we take this x to the power 4 to the upper portion. Okay, so it will be x to the power minus 4, right? Anything is in the denominator, I mean if you have anything in the denominator as power, for example let's just say you have 2 by a square. Okay, so if you take a square up, it will become 2a to the power minus 2, like that. Okay, so the power becomes negative. So similarly here also I have done x to the power minus 4. Okay, now this 4 and 4 gets cancelled, so x to the power 4 only remains. So x to the power 4 is here, then minus 3 is constant, let us just take it outside, and now we'll do integration for x to the power minus 4. So x to the power 4 minus 4, the integration is x to the power minus 4 plus 1, we raise the power by 1 only. Okay, and then divide by the same number, minus 4 plus 1. Okay, so what we have x to the power minus 3, obviously minus plus minus 4 1, if we subtract 1 from 4 we have 3, and the sign of 4 is bigger, that's why it is minus 3. Okay, so we have x to the power minus 3 by minus 3 again, here also we will get minus 3 only. So this 3 and 3 will be cancelled, so we will simply have x to the power minus 3 by minus 1, like that. Okay, Now see, x to the power minus 3 by minus 1. So minus 1 is if we take this minus 1, okay, upside, then it will be multiplied to x only. So we will have x to the power minus 3, simple. Okay, and after that, if you see, after that what will happen, this minus you see here, no, this minus will be changed into 1 by, okay, like that. So we will write 1 by x to the power 3. Okay, this is the just opposite of what you did here. Okay, if you take the power from down to up, it will be minus, and if you take this same power from up to down, it will be plus. So like that, see, it is here plus now, x to the power 3. So it will become 1 by x cube. Okay, so we have basically x to the power 4 plus 1 by x cube, and then plus c, obviously. Okay, so basically the function fx is x to the power 4 plus 1 by x cube plus c. This is the first answer, I mean this is the first part answer. Okay, they had asked what is the value of fx. So this is the value of fx, x to the power 4 plus 1 by x cube plus c. Now after that they told that if f2 is equal to 0, then find the value of fx, like that they are asking the question. So now we'll just solve it further. Since f2 is equal to 0, so f2 is 0 means in place of x, if we put 2, we will get 0. So we'll put 2 in place of x. So this is the function. Okay, here is x, then here is x. We'll put 2 here also and here also. Okay, so we simply have 2 to the power 4 and then 1 by 2 to the power 3 plus c is equal to 0. 2 to the power 4 is 16 and 1 by 2 to the power 3 is 8, 2 to the 4 is 8, and then plus c is equal to 0. We'll just take LCM here. You have 128 by 8 plus c, and so if we take this 129 by 8, I mean 129 by 8 to this side, it will be in minus. Okay, so this will become minus 129 by 8. So that is the value of c. Now what we do, we will simply put this value of c in this equation. Okay, here we will put minus 129 by 8. That's it. So our answer will be x to the power 4 plus 1 by x cube minus 129 by 8. That is the answer. So they had given 4 options, A, B, C and D. So this option number A match the answer correctly. That's why our answer is option A. Okay, so this was question number 22. I hope you have understood it very well, and now I will teach you 21 number. 21 number is again same thing, I mean optional only. This is also kind of a MCQ question. Okay, MCQ question only. So we'll just solve it. It is not that much complicated like 22. It is very simple. We just have to do integration of root x plus 1 by root x. That's it. Okay, we just have to do integration. So how do we do? We'll just separate the terms. Root x is separated and then plus 1 by root x is separate. Okay, now root means power 1 by 2, right? So it will be x to the power 1 by 2, and then say this one I will show you 1 by root x. So this we can write as 1 by x to the power 1 by 2, right? Because root means power 1 by 2. So we can write x to the power 1 by 2, and then what we do, we will take this power to upside. So it will be the sign will be changed. Okay, it is here in plus, it will become minus here. So we will have 1 into x to the power minus 1 by 2, right? This was positive here. If it goes upside, it will be negative here. Okay, so we have 1 into x to the power minus 1 by 2. Now we just multiply these two terms. So if you multiply anything by 1, you will get the same thing, right? So you will basically have x to the power 1 by 2. I mean x to the power minus 1 by 2. That's what I mean. Okay, so that's I have written directly here x to the power minus 1 by 2. Okay, now we will just do the integration here. So there is x to the power 1 by 2, so we'll just raise the power by 1 and we will write the same thing in the denominator, 1 by 2 plus 1. Same thing here also, minus 1 by 2 plus 1, and in the denominator same thing, minus 1 by 2 plus 1. Okay, now you just solve this integration, this LCM. Okay, so you will have 2 1s are 2 and plus 1, 3 by 2. So this is 3 by 2, and then downside also it is 3 by 2. Okay, so if you take this 3 by 2 in front of x, it will be 2 by 3. That's why I have written here 2 by 3. Okay, so 2 by 3 x to the power 3 by 2, and then plus here what we have. Here we will have 2 1s are 2 and then minus 1. So this is basically 1 by 2. Okay, so 1 by 2 here and then 1 by 2 here. So if you take this 1 by 2 in front of x, it will be 2 by 1. So that's why I have written 2 by 1, and then x to the power, this is 1 by 2. Okay, now this is 2 by 3 x to the power 3 by 2 plus 2 by 1 is hidden. Okay, so this is only 2, and then 1 by 2 changes into root. So this is root x. Okay, and then plus so this is the answer. Okay, and this answer is given in option number C. So option number C is the correct answer. Okay, then I will just end this video here itself. The MCQs are over. Okay, 22 and 21 both questions I have taught you in this video. The remaining question means 20, 19, 18 and the other ones I will teach you in the next video. I hope you like this video, and if you are new on this channel, please do subscribe this channel and press the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching this video.